Oh, hey everybody, it's me, Carson Kressley for Ballard Designs, and we're here at my farm in Pennsylvania, and today we're gonna talk about a poolside refresh. And it's very refreshing because this water is freezing. I'll be right back. So I think, whatever space you have, whether it's a backyard, whether it's a small balcony, a patio, a pool area, the same design elements really apply. Have beautiful, comfortable, quality outdoor furniture pieces, a little or a lot. Create ambiance with lighting. You could do, battery-operated candles and hurricanes. You can do the beautiful string lights. And then the third thing to that magic combo is greenery and plants. And it can be greenery in pots, it can be your shrubs and your flowers that you grow in your backyard. Those three things will really create that summertime vibe, really make you want to spend time outside and keep it super comfortable and summery. Okay, now I like to add a lot of greenery around the pool. And I have a little bit of a green thumb, but if you don't worry about it. Just get a great pot. And Ballard Designs makes these amazing little boxwood inserts. And you literally just do that and you're done. How easy is that? So I love to create a really kind of a resort vibe around my pool. So I have tons of these chaise longue, that's how they say it. So I did it by using 6 of these Suzanne Kassler Directoire chaise longue. And you feel like you're on vacation. Good job, Suzanne Kassler. These are great. She knows what she's doing. Okay, another really important thing poolside or in your backyard is to create ambiance with lighting. So you don't have to have outlets, you don't have to have power by your pool or your backyard. I love this large, oversized Melba lantern. I put a battery-operated candle in here, and it gives us that great kind of glow through the evening hours. Here's a great tip. I love that Ballard did this in the seeded glass, so it's got those occlusions in it. You don't have to clean them all the time. You can't tell if they're dirty. And I'm very lazy, so I love it. I love to entertain poolside, so I did this great bar table. This is a Bunny Williams faux bois, French for fake wood, table. I think it is so gorgeous. It's durable, it's water resistant, it makes a perfect poolside bar. Then I did a nice wicker cooler basket. I have some fresh fruit, I have some wine, some mixers. I have these beautiful Bunny Williams glasses. And then if you really want to elevate, I love these linen cocktail napkins. It just really elevates the whole party. So I guess I should have the pool boy make me a drink. Oh wait, I don't have a pool boy. I'll be right back.